Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today is a haul from Altenew, and this isn't my haul, so I'll be as surprised as you are. My friend Nonie asked me to get her mail, and sometimes when I get the mail, I gotta know what's in it. I mean, if you ask me to check your mail and you tell me that there's gonna be, oh my, something good in there, well, I just have to see it. And she's fine with it. She's totally used to it. Okay. She got a coupon. Look at these. She got all the new dye inks. Oh my gosh. Do you think she wants to keep these blue ones here? So these are small. They're like this size. See? Small ink pads. If you are trying to get a lot of different colors or you're a new stamper, small ink pads are just fine. You can take a small ink pad, just like this. You take the small ink pad and you go to the stamp and pat it like this to get the ink on it, instead of the way you would do it on this one where you put the stamp on top of it. And it's just fine. It doesn't matter. There's also different techniques you can do with small ink pads. Some people like them because you can drag them across the page better. They also are better for travel and sheer affordability. I just want to get this cleaned off because I will make a mess with it. Sheer affordability to try a bunch of new colors. Oh, they're a great way to try a new brand of ink or new color. When I wanted to try the archival, I asked for my birthday for a set of the small pads. And I have loved that because I didn't have a lot of different inks. And I can use these in my art journal. They're permanent. You can also stamp with them just fine. It's just a way for more affordability. I wouldn't necessarily do it for black. I mean, you probably are going to use your black so much that you'd like to have a good sized one, but I could be wrong. That way you can get 6 different blues for much less money. Look at all these. Altenew has a lot of layered stamp sets, and colors like this that are so close together are just wonderful for layered stamp sets. And I'm just going to give you the old school example. Back in the day, Stampin' Up! Made them with 2 layers. Now Altenew and many others make them with 3. You do this one in the background with a lighter, and then you come in with this one over the top of it, a little bit darker. So here you could make a gorgeous purple flower using these 2 or maybe these 2. And then you can do the same thing with your leaves. I am in love with what she's got here. These look super fun. She also has a little stamp set called Best Sentiments. It says, "You are the best, sending love and hugs, thankful for you, and thank you." And you can see on the back the idea that they have. They've put it under a flower. Nonie has tons of tag dies and different things, so she could stamp this in the middle, and she's really good at stamping them and then cutting around them. She's done that and given me some before. So you can make really nice little sentiments for your cards with tiny, tiny stamps. I also have a package coming to my own house, so we're having quite a day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all taking time for crafting and relaxing. Just because we buy it doesn't mean you have to. Okay, bye-bye.